This is Jay here at Action Power Sports in beautiful Waukesha, Wisconsin. Just wanted to shoot a quick video on one of our new recent incoming machines. This is a 2018 Suzuki GSX R 750. Even though it is a 2018, it is a new motorcycle. We actually got it from a dealership that went out of business for the Suzuki line, so their loss is your gain. This bike only has 18 miles on it and still has the full factory warranty from the day you sign the paperwork. So if you're looking for a great middleweight machine, this inline 4-cylinder 750 is a great power plant. Got the really nice red and black combination. You can see the dual disc Brembo brakes up front, stops on a dime, some carbon fiber treatment. This bike is ready to run. So if you'd like more information on this 2018 Suzuki GSX R 750, hit me up. This is Jay here at Action Power Sports, where I'd be honored to put this really cool bike into your garage.